Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll delve straight into how to create and manage project milestones on Asana Timeline, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, let's create a project milestone. Hop onto your Asana dashboard and go to the project where you want to add the milestone. Click on the orange plus Add Task button and then select Add Milestone. Type in the name of your milestone and hit enter. This helps us because milestones act as signposts on the journey of your project, helping you see how far you've come and how far you have left to go. Next up, you'll want to add this milestone to your timeline. To do this, go to your timeline view and drag your milestone onto the timeline, placing it on the due date. This is important because it visually anchors your milestone in the project timeline. Now that we've done that, you might be wondering how to manage these milestones. Well, Asana makes it easy. Simply click on your milestone in the timeline view, and here you can edit details, assign it to team members, or mark it as complete. Managing your milestones is crucial to keeping your project on track and ensuring everyone knows what they're working towards. So, you've created your milestone, added it to your timeline, and learned how to manage it. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is keeping all your milestones in one place, giving you a clear view of your project's progress. The reason we do this is to ensure that all team members are aligned and that the project is on track. These milestones act as a roadmap, guiding your team towards the project goals. And that's it, folks. In just a few simple steps, you've mastered how to create and manage project milestones on Asana Timeline. Keep using these techniques to keep your projects on track and your team aligned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more practical tips.